My role at V sits with our clients from the very beginning, often before anything is signed, through launch and into day-to-day performance. I lead our client performance function, which means my team is responsible for turning V's capabilities into real outcomes, one customer at a time. Accountability and performance really means customer obsession. It's this wake up in the morning mindset to deliver value for our clients, and that all starts with proactivity. So before anything goes live, most of the work is about the how. How does this use case actually work inside their organization? What data do they really have today? And what's missing? How do we responsibly supplement that with licensed data without creating friction? So our goal is to get something live quickly with clarity around what value looks like and how we'll measure it. One of the first things clients noticed is precision, not just in targeting, but in how specific the insights are to their business. When you combine their first-party data with trusted, licensed data at scale, teams stop guessing. They're making decisions based on signals they can explain, defend, and act on, whether that's patient outreach, trial enrollment, or ongoing engagement. So once we're live, that's when the real work starts. My team wakes up every morning focused on performance. We're asking what's working, where are people dropping off, what needs to change. That might mean adjusting models, refining strategy, or bringing new insights back to the client. This isn't a launch and leave model. In my experience, execution is where AI either becomes real and drives massive success, or it totally breaks down. A good example is clinical trial enrollment. It's easy to look at top-line performance, but what's harder and more valuable is understanding why patients disengage and how that should change targeting and outreach. In those cases, we're not just executing campaigns, we're helping teams rethink their approach using real performance and behavioral data. We're very intentional about accountability. Success is defined upfront, performance is reviewed continuously, and we stay deeply involved when optimization is needed. That shared ownership, including downside protection, changes the relationship entirely. Clients know they're not just getting technology. They're not left alone with only a dashboard. At the end of the day, performance numbers represent real people. When conversion improves, it means more patients finding care, more families discovering options they didn't know existed. That's what AI value actually looks like in practice. Not promises, but execution, trust, and results in the real world.